I have used the data validation in this data entry task in the spreadsheet table. There's a setting where I can provide for the criteria in terms of whether I need to provide for whole number, text length, date, and others, with some rules whether the number is between two numbers, greater than or lower than a given number, and others. There's also an input message and error alert in the window prompt that is provided for. This is to ensure that I got the right data that I have entered in the table. There's a title bar where I put the title and input message that will be entered in the prompt. I have included the date column in the data validation. In the settings, there's criteria for the date that I have selected. Every time the cell is selected, the message will appear below it, and the date will be entered should follow the rule that I have inputted, like enter only the date I have specified in the settings. Otherwise, error alert will be displayed. So I have to enter the right data. So there's also title and message for the error alert that will be displayed if wrong date is entered. Then whatever wrong date is entered, I have to change that, and the right one should be re-entered. So in this case, no mistakes can be committed by me in entering data. Another one I got for the data validation is the column for the work order. Just like the date, I have also used the data validation with input message and error alert. So if wrong data is entered, the alert dialog will come out too. This system, if utilized, will provide for higher efficiency and effectiveness of the staff working on some tasks like this one.